Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Inuko Finance. Ticker symbol is Inuko. This token just got recently listed on CoinGecko. Right now it's up 17.1%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Inuko Finance. So this token's sitting at 47.1 cents per token. It's up 17% today. They have their own application. You can find that at app.inuko.finance. Inuko.finance is their official webpage. There is a warning that everybody should be aware of at the top of the CoinGecko page. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Please do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So definitely be aware of that warning there. It doesn't necessarily mean that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about investing in this token. So they have a BSC scan, price chart, contract address, Twitter, Telegram, webpage, app. All that is listed on CoinGecko. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the Dapps. You would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Inuko Finance token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their BSC scan or their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and just be aware you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. According to their BSC scan, they have 2,672 holders, 31,919 transfers, 18 decimal places. There is a total supply of 10 million tokens. On their BSC scan, you can also find a Telegram, GitHub, Twitter, Facebook, contact email, and blog articles, and their webpage as well. So if you go over to their official webpage, inuko.finance, it says, hodl like never before. Buy and hodl Inuko coins and get rewarded. Get USDT just for hodling Inuko coins in your wallet. Unlock a new level of crypto experience. Ways to earn at Inuko Finance. The first one is an auto burn. So your hodling of Inuko coins increases in value and reduces 1% of each of the on-chain transactions when it's burned. It says read more. Maybe that'll take me to a white paper here. Yeah, they do have a white paper. So if you click on read more on any of the things, it'll take you over to their white paper, which you could find at docs.inuko.finance. So, and then they have their own application that looks really cool too as well. You should definitely check that out at app.inuko.finance. That has the dashboard, exchange, liquidity, bond, inverse bond, staking shares, documentation, all that stuff is on there. So it's got auto reflections. You earn USDT by hodling Inuko coins. 6% of each on-chain transaction is redistributed to token holders. Also added liquidity. Inuko Finance takes 1% from the 12% tax and injects it back to liquidity. So 12% tax, that means you may have to set slippage somewhere around 12% if you're going to buy this token or sell this token on PancakeSwap. So it also has bonding. Earn 4% extra liquidity tokens by bonding USDT and Inuko coins, and it adds to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. Also, inverse bonding. Earn 4% extra USDT and Inuko coins by selling liquidity tokens to Inuko's bond contract. And staking. Earn even more reflections by staking your hodling. Stake Inuko coins to earn reflections at 2.5 times. So the Inuko exchange trade tokens in an instant with extremely fast and cheaper gas fees than Ethereum. It says they have been audited by Tech Audit. You could read more about that as well. So yeah, they have their own exchange on their application, just kind of like PancakeSwap is an exchange, same idea. So discover the Paw Nation. Governance. You are a citizen of Paw Nation as an Inuko coin holder. Exercise your democracy. Vote on major proposals to Inuko Finance on Snapshot. Also news. Keep the heart of the nation beating. Our news is delivered by birds that won't stop tweeting. And Facebook. So you can follow them on Twitter and Facebook for news is what they're saying. Say hi to fellow PARs. Imagine all citizens of the nation locked in a room and yelling over each other all at the same time. Welcome to Telegram. Documentation. Every society has their rules and norms. Ours are written on Gitbook, and that is the white paper that I just talked about. Also, they have Medium articles. In-depth exploration. Oh, you're smart? I like it. Come to and explore various topics with us. Go to Medium. And how do I ever wonder the basics like tying a shoe? You can find that in our frequently asked questions. So their roadmap, it says this map goes to the moon. Phase 1 of their roadmap is design our mascot, the Inuko-chan, launch of the Defy app, launch of the home website, Gitbook and Snapshot, create communities on social media platforms, audit by Tech Audit, listing on PancakeSwap, and then Inuko is born. Moving on to phase 2, list on CoinGecko, so that's where we're at right now. Then CoinMarketCap, create a committee for the DAO, launch of forum for holders to discuss Inuko Finance's policy, institute proper governance, discussion on forum to proposal on Snapshot to implementation, build communities on social media platforms, contest with Inuko-chan merchandise giveaways, aim for 5,000 holders. Phase 3, partner with crypto projects. Release the first story of Inuko-chan. More contests and merchandise giveaways, aim for 25,000 holders. Phase 4, launch of the online merch store. Launch Inuko coins as a payment solution for our own store, aim for 100,000 holders. Phase 5, provide Inuko payment solutions to other crypto projects and online store, aim for 500,000 holders. Then they got frequently asked questions you could check out. Check them all out, Inuko.finance, and you can find this token listed on CoinGecko now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.